In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join WhatsApp channels on WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to find channels that match your interests, and how to follow them from your computer with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to go to the site. This ensures you're on the legitimate page and helps you avoid lookalikes. If you see a QR code on the screen, keep it open. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the Linked Devices option, and use your camera to scan that QR code. This securely connects your web session to the same account that's on your phone. In some regions, you might also see an option to log in using your phone number instead. Choose whichever method is available to you. If you use the QR, make sure your phone has an active internet connection during the initial link. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation pane. Find the Channels icon, which looks like two circles or bubbles, or look for the Updates tab. Depending on your layout, channels may live inside Updates. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling the sidebar or refreshing the page. Features can roll out gradually, so availability may vary by region and account. Next, click the plus icon next to the Channels header and select Find Channels. This opens the channel directory where you can discover official updates from organizations, creators, and topics you care about. It's a helpful way to follow announcements without cluttering your personal chats. Use the search bar to look for a specific organization, celebrity, or interest. Try typing keywords like sports, tech, news, or the name of a brand you follow. If you're not sure what you want yet, browse by category, such as popular, new, or active, to see what's trending or recently launched. You can also filter by country to discover channels that post regional updates or local news. When you find a channel that looks promising, you can click it to preview recent posts and verify it's the right one. Official channels may show verification indicators and follower counts, which can help you judge authenticity and activity. If you like what you see, click Follow next to the channel name, or open the channel and click Follow at the top right. Following adds it to your channels list so you can revisit updates easily. You can unfollow anytime, and your phone number isn't shared with the channel when you follow. If notifications feel too frequent, you can adjust them later to match your preferences. That's it. Simple, secure, and organized. Enjoy exploring and following the channels that matter most to you.